So what did you think about so far of the impeachment hearing?
Boring. And it's boring because there's no there. I mean, you look at this, and it's like just a bunch of gossip. I heard that this guy heard that this guy heard. We don't let that sort of evidence come in court because it's inherently unreliable. So it's boring because there's nothing there.
What do you think about Adam Schiff and the Democrats refusing to allow any talk of the Bidens in the hearing?
But remember why we're here. We're here because a whistleblower filed a complaint, and his complaint was that President Trump was trying to use foreign aid to get the Ukrainian government to investigate Hunter Biden, Joe Biden, etc. And we're not allowed to call Hunter Biden at all? He's at the center of this because of what's in the whistleblower's complaint. He should be called. Now, if we can't call him in the House, maybe our Republican colleagues that run the Senate can call him over there.
You introduced a resolution to investigate the Bidens, correct?
I did. And that's wholly unrelated to the impeachment proceeding, President Trump, etc. Ask yourself this question. Why was Hunter Biden, who has no background in the Ukraine, no background in energy, no background in natural gas, why was he picked up by this Ukrainian natural gas company and paid $50,000 a month? Something tell me if Hunter Biden's last name was Byrne and not Biden, he wouldn't have gotten that. And I think the American people have a right to know, and Congress should be providing oversight to know, how did he get this position? Did anybody in the government do anything that favored him? We know he was contacting the State Department to try to help some of his clients, including this company in Ukraine. Who all was doing special favors for him? We should know the answer to those questions. Now, I've heard some people say, well, nobody's got any evidence to show this, that, and that. Well, that's because we hadn't done an investigation. If this were Donald Trump Jr. instead of Hunter Biden, he would have been investigated long ago.
Where do you see the impeachment hearings go from here?
Well, they continue to suck up all this time and energy in the House. My guess is that we will get to a vote on impeachment in the House before Christmas. Don't know that because the Democrats don't tell us anything, but that's my guess, which means we'll have a trial in the Senate in January. I don't think there's any chance in the world that the Senate's going to convict him. In fact, I think what's going to happen is there's going to be a totally partisan vote in the House, and I think it's going to be pretty much a totally partisan vote in the Senate. At the end, President Trump won't be removed from office. American people are going to say, what have you been doing? We have issued more subpoenas from the House this year than we've passed bills that have become law. That should tell you what we've been doing.